Got a Ryan's Easter basket. You got a t-shirt of Ryan. You got Ryan Titan. You got the surprise jelly. Let's see what's in here. Let's see. Go ahead. I opened it. What's in there? Whoa, what is that? Ryan Titan again?
Yeah.
And then you got Panda ice cream.
Yeah.
You got Gus.
Yeah.
You got the pizza.
Yeah.
And what else? Oh, let me see your books. You got Ryan's book.
Yeah. Yes.
And let me see that one over there, the other book.
Okay.
Do you love your Easter basket?
No,
Do you love it?
no, baby. Gosh.
Gosh. Oh, let me see the book. Wow. And you got a Ryan's Toy Review Adventure Pad.
Mommy, hat.
Okay, how does Ryan do it again?
Mommy, hat.
Jennavie, look.
Mommy, hat. Fireflies, ball, and couple, pizza, gus, and icy.
Yeah, and how does Ryan do it again?